I don't even know why I put this on, you know, because I'm gonna be getting in the shower. I literally put this on just before filming, and I was thinking, yo, like, why am I putting it on? I'm gonna be getting in the shower. But yeah, no opportunities yet, like on the markets. Like gold pushed up to 61. So yeah, like no opportunities on gold. I've been pretty much just chopping up the video from yesterday, and yeah, now I need to pretty much get ready. And I also need to prepare for work. I still don't understand like how I'm feeling, but I'm alright. Everything's okay. So yeah, the plan today, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna try and do at least 50% of what I need to do. So double R is gonna pull up in like an hour and a half. So yeah, I just have to get. I'll just get. That's why I need to get ready now. And then once I'm ready, everything will be okay. And yeah, pretty much that's pretty much it. We'll see if we can catch some trades because ideally I'm looking for buys now. But we have to do slowly, you know. We have to wait and see. We have to wait and see. Because maybe the market sentiment is gone bearish now, but I feel like the way how the daily closed, it could continue to it could go back up again. But we'll see. I'm trying to flow with the markets, so nothing as of yet. I need to do something, but bro, like I'm struggling. I'm just thinking to myself, yo, like, but I know I have to do it. And that's journal my trades. Yeah, I have to journal my trades, guys. That would be helpful still. And then yeah, we'll go from there. But we'll see. I'll see. Solana's pushing down. Solana's going down. So right now it's currently at 198, and I can't lie, I'm actually happy about that. I'm actually happy that Solana's at 188. 198, sorry. Because I was trying to buy it at 200, but I was saying to Lorenzo, oh, maybe, you know what, maybe we can get at like 190. If we can get at 190, I mean, it's not to say that I can buy. It's not to say that I can buy like maybe 4. Yeah, it's better. It's better that it's like 190, because then I can spend less money to get 3 tokens. I don't want to push the limit and try and get 4 tokens, because to be fair, like I spent a lot of money this month, and I need to put some money into like my expenses / bills. But we'll see how it goes, because we don't even know if it's gonna continue to come down. But yeah, my mind's it's funny. My mind's been set on 3 tokens and trying to get below 200. So we'll see. Because obviously, as you know, like the markets, we can't predict the markets. So it's kind of like you get what you're given, you know. But yeah, I completely forgot that I was supposed to bring up the Solana situation. And then I'll hopefully give you like a breakdown when I start to get like the Tangent wallet. Let me crack on and get ready. See you soon.
Okay, here we are.
Here we are back again.
I'm tempted to close, the trades, my position on but Ripple is promising. I still didn't break. So I have this level like around 280, the area around 280 is rejecting it. So we're willing to keep the position on Ripple than Solana. Solana, I don't know, bro.
What happened? What I realized is that with when I've been on the journey from £100 to £1,000, or now I'm currently doing £1,000 to £10,000. Yeah. What I've learned is that the trades that I take and the moves that I look for, given the margin that I use, yeah. For me, the perspective that I think I had was the £100 to £1,000. Instead of focusing on the £10 trades, the 100 pip trades, right? I was focusing on, bro, 1,000 pips or 600 pips.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, it was, and even now, like with the thousand with the 1,000 to 10,000, bro, I've been focusing too much on the 600. The what these, these institutional traders will call it is like home runs.
Yeah.
The home runs, the one in the thing is that I feel like, for example, depending on the market conditions, yeah, I think that it's possible for you to get the weekly high and try to catch the weekly low, right? But I think what it takes is strong confirmation and true understanding of market sentiment, you know? For me, that's my goal. Like I want to be able to catch those moves. But anyways, so I think like it was when I was in the gym, when I got home, when I got to the gym after work yesterday from Wednesday shift, I had the realization and I accepted the fact that okay, with how I trade, it looks like okay, maybe I need to accept that okay, my average winners are gonna be £100.
I don't know, bro. If you wanna see it as 100 pounds, whatever. I don't know, bro. I don't. I think you should focus on okay, how much you gonna risk in a trade? I'm risking 30, 50. Okay, if it's 30, I'm aiming for yeah, like 80, 100. If I'm risking 50, I'm gonna aim for 120 to 150. If it happens more, it's good. But yeah, bro. And also, it's the amount of money. It's the, as we said, the percentage, you know? The
Mm,
percent. But if you open a trade with one lot, okay, on gold,
mm-hmm,
even if you take 0.1% move, if you catch 0.1% move, it's gonna be uh, 50% of the margin you use. You know, so it's 250. It's totally fine. 0.10% of the like it's nothing, you know.
mm.
So it depends. It depends also the trade that you use. So
The average move, sorry, I didn't mean, maybe I was wrong to say £100, but I mean like 100 pips. Maybe that's a better way to put it, you know? 100 pips, 200 pips. 200,
yeah.
I think 1,500 pips on average is a fair thing to use as a statistic, right?
I would say also it depends from the market condition. You know, now we have less volatility. If you go back like April, the market was doing 500, 600 pips every day. You know, more or less.
Yeah.
So yes, now and but even if we just take one trade a day and you take 100, you get 150 pips a day. It's perfect. As long we make consistent profits. I think it's
The thing that I'm concerned about, or the thing that I'm focused on, is the objectives. You know, because it's not like at this point for me, I feel that I'm trading to support my life. You know, I'm trading to reach objectives, to reach goals. You know, whether it's financial goals or whether it's goals, skill related goals. I need to have that I need to have that confidence, or I need to have that clear strategy on how to make sure that I'm getting closer towards the objectives. That's
I
what we do it
think
for.
now the most important thing is to be consistent, taking good trades, following the rules, following my plan,
Hmm.
and make every day, day by day. Like if I look at my equity line, okay, it has to be z- a, a smooth growth. You know what I
Mm.
mean? Without seeing like how do you say it? Like a cardio. How do
The
you call
heart
it, bro?
rate.
Yeah,
The heart rate monitor. You know, for me, Lorenzo, what's gonna hurt me the most is gonna be that journey, bro. When we get to that point where we start making money that is like that
life
replaces
changing.
that, yeah, life changing, bro. Because now because now it's like okay, you tell me what you think about this for yourself. But for if I can go first and say like for me how I feel, yeah. For me, the one thing that I have an issue with is, of course, bro, like having the job. Even that,
Yeah.
even that, bro. Even now, to for example, bro, the money that I make, I'm basically making the same like when I'm working, you know. But it's not you just because you're in that situation, it doesn't mean that okay now you have to leave the job. You understand? Because you still
Also
this
because
thing
you,
this thing that you mentioned about like being consistent, bro. Yeah, you need to be consistent with your system, with your psychological self, with how you approach the markets with trade within trade management. You have to make sure that all of the notes that you take, they're fully in your head, in your mind. There's no mistakes, you know? And then the
Mhm.
other thing as well is that like the temptations, you know, now you think that it's very simple to now you feel like oh because I take this trade, I make this amount of money. Now I can withdraw the money and go and do something.
Mm.
It's not right.
Also, I think that we need, as I said, the consistency because it's, gee, we need to be profitable for, I don't know, like at least months in a row. Okay, you say, okay, I've been profitable for 6 months in a row. Okay, maybe probably I've learned to trade, or maybe also different market condition, bro. Now everything is going up. It's very, it's kind of easy to predict the market now. I mean, not to predict, but to follow in the market, to make from like my small experience, I saw market condition very different, much worse than this.
Mm,
So before to yeah to do anything, I would wait. I want to see that I can do this. I mastered this skill and we need to have more capital because if you live you saying that you make basically the same amount of money, okay,
mm,
without the job, without the amount of money that you have guaranteed, okay, you wouldn't be free-minded. You wouldn't trade with the same attitude.
100%, 100%.
Because you would have to make that amount of money a month to survive,
Yeah,
and
100%.
it would be an issue.
No, but this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Like now, the main thing is to make sure that you have to stick to
Mm.
just stay psychologically strong. My previous self, bro, I would have been trying to escape the job straight away,
Yeah, yeah, I know,
you
I know.
know. But now I'm just like, okay, like we're making some progress, but we need to stay strong and we need to keep pushing, you know, because yeah, you're completely right, bro. Like you you when you transition from what do you call it from working to full-time trading. Now you're trading to survive. You're not trading as like a side hobby or something like this. Like
Mhm.
now it's like this is your bread and butter. So you have to be switched on and like you said, we need more capital, like
Because yeah, no, for sure, bro. Like once you have 50, 100,000, you need to do like let's say 100,000, okay, with 100,000, if you make 5%, that is it's really good actually. It's not bad, it's good. It's a good result in a month. It's not even that easy, but you can risk less, to make 5%. The thing is to make 5% with the a thousand pound account. With the 100,000, when you don't have when is the only money you have, okay, you put a risk 100,000. When you see minus 1,000, minus 2,000, when you used to get 2,000, or I mean whatever, but it doesn't change a lot if it's 500 more, 100,000 more, it used to make like 300. Is it like a whole salary in a year, and you risk it? Sorry, in a year, in a month, and you risk it the same amount on a trade.
You'll start to feel it, G.
Psychologically, it's hard.
But this is okay. So this is something that Mr. Rich and he spoke about, and I think lots of other people they speak about this too. Yeah. Ideally, okay, you're not used to taking these losses, right? But it's about getting used to it. You know, it's about building that resistance.
You know, 100%.
Yeah, because and
Even though
of
I think
course,
it's a lot, you know, to like with 100,000 to lose 2,000 on a trade, you're risking 2%. I wouldn't. I would risk at the most 1%, but still,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
still losing 1,000. I don't know. It takes like 2 weeks for me to get to 1,000. You know, so.
Hmm. So, you know, one thing that's been helping me. I mean, I only just started doing it, like since I've fully embedded this thing in my mind, yeah. And that wait one sec because the 30-minute candle it rejected the 36 area. If I look at £100 account, yeah, trading £100 account, right? And if I implement that £100 to £1,000, to £10,000, to £100,000, yeah, it's gonna be much easier to psychologically adapt because then it's like all you're doing is you're reducing the zeros and keeping it simple.
I hope it will work that way, G.
Yeah, but because think about it like this, yeah. For me, I feel like I know that obviously trading with £100, right? The most I mean you can't even like manage risk I mean 5% you're still using £5, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
So like yeah, 1%, £1, 2%, £2, yeah, etc. At least it's like you have wiggle room. And the thing is, at this point, it's like, bro, if you're losing trades, is because you haven't either you haven't followed your plan or you're doing something wrong. That guys, I opened 4 lots by accident. By accident. The worst part is that my reaction time was much more slow than the previous situation with the 2 lots. And man, I done probably the worst form of trading in terms of consistency with plan, yeah. In the history books. Like literally I lost 300 and then I'm basically at like minus £25 for the day, which is crazy. But yeah, it's done now. I'm waiting for the 4 hour to close and then we're gonna try and get some proper trades. So yeah, I'm trying to reduce my heart rate right now. So I'm just writing in my journal and then yeah, we'll go from there. But yeah, guys, it's been dark. It's been like massacre. 4 lots was the whole account, you know. Well, the whole account plus like £400 change, you know. Crazy. Man, lie. What you saying?
You got me on the vlog.
Yeah. What you saying?
What's going on?
Jeez.
Okay, you good?
I'm good.
Hey, Wills.
Hey, what's going on?
So good. So good, man.
Good,
How you
good.
doing?
I'm okay, man. I'm okay. How's trading going?
Today, crap, you know, but it's for you. Like,
So, hey, bro, Lorenzo said the trading day was crap, yeah?
What?
Bro, it was a massacre, G.
Wow.
Bro. So, obviously, did you see the video where I put 2 lots?
Oh, accidentally?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, you know what I did today accidentally?
What?
4 lots, bro. The whole account, bro.
Why? What's wrong with you?
Gee, Lorenzo will back me up, yeah? Basically, we was just checking to see like what like the stop loss would be, yeah?
Yeah.
If I was to open 4 lots in it. The stop loss was like 1,400, let's say 1,500 in it.
No.
So I said, okay, I'm gonna buy now, innit?
Mm.
Yo, I'll show you. Look.
So you wanted to buy it?
Yeah, but not with 4 lots.
Yeah.
I was supposed to do 0.4 in it. That was my intention in it.
Yeah.
So look, imagine man's open 0.4.
Yeah.
Basically, my reaction time was slower than the other one in it. Because I was trying to see, maybe he's gonna go up in it. Yeah, maybe my analysis is right.
Mm.
It did go up. But I put the stop loss behind the 1 hour candle in it, yeah? The 1 minute candle, sorry. And then, bro, I lost 3 bills.
No.
And
He's
then
been he's been 2 minutes just like 1 second, bro. 1 second, bro.
that's
Oh my god!
it.
Oh my god!
Bro, it was dark, G. It was dark.
So what? Currently, you're down 3 bills on that, or have you
Bro,
got out of it, or
I'm out. Yeah, I'm definitely out of it, bro. Otherwise, I would have been cooked, bro.
so you just took the 3 bill loss?
I took the. No, I didn't even take the 3 bill loss, bro.
What?
I was revenge trading, G.
So what? You lost more?
Nah, I made back the 3 bills.
Oh, okay.
I made back the 3 bills and plus the trade I lost
But I don't get
today.
it. So if you wanted to buy, yeah,
Mm,
where it was,
mm.
why was that issue though?
Because I used all of the account, bro. I used all of my
Yeah, but
margin.
yeah, okay, I get that, yeah, but
Mm.
why?
Basically,
It
you
was
see
too
when it says
much.
Yeah, but you
yeah.
only got in at that stage because you thought you were gonna make money, right?
Nah, bro. I got in because I thought that I was using 0.4, not 4 lots.
Okay,
I wasn't prepared. I didn't know that I was using 4 lots. G. I thought I was using 0.4 at the time.
okay.
And
With
then
four
when I saw,
lots,
and then
if the
bro, what happened? This started flashing in it. It started flashing red. I was thinking, bro, what's going on? No!
so if you go just like
Yeah.
Oh, when you done it at work, that
like
must have been hilarious. I could imagine you just screaming,
Bro,
no,
it was
everyone's looking
mad.
at you, innit?
Bro, it was mad. It was mad. Fuck, I was panicking.
This guy is crazy, man.
I was
with the
panicking.
amount, if it goes like even I don't know, like 1 pound in the wrong direction, you're fucked, you know. So
Yeah.
Bro,
that's the thing.
exactly. You see that free ball loss? You know how many points that was on gold?
No, 1 pound is 300
One
because
pound.
basically you get 10
Ah,
pounds,
yeah, yeah,
10
yeah,
p.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
And like
Oh, £1 was
So
3.
basically the £1, yeah. So sorry, not 38. So 38.36,
Yeah.
37.36.
Okay.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
would that would have been
disaster.
disaster, bro.
Wills has given the
Come up with
best
a
idea, master plan.
That's it.
After I was telling him about how I felt yesterday. Was it yesterday, bro? Yeah, yesterday. How I felt yesterday. And yeah, if you want to break down the idea.
I'm just saying, this guy needs to put like a week's worth of content in one video instead of doing it daily. Do you know what I'm saying? Because he's trying to find, he's trying to find content too much, and then it just makes it more difficult. And this guy's not sleeping as well, man. So
I think that was the main thing.
that's the main thing. So
Yeah.
he's literally killing himself just to get you guys vlogs. So
Show you the journey, you know. Sorry to cut you. Show the journey, starting from the bottom, you know. And
Shit.
if I can just quickly say, yeah, it's like, just so that you know, because I'm gonna start doing, like, to be clear, I'm gonna start doing the vlogs once a week after Sunday, right? Basically, what's happened is that, yeah, I don't feel good, bro. I don't feel good, and I don't even know. And the thing is, I don't even know why.
Because you're not sleeping, bro.
Will says, yeah, because I'm not sleeping. But yeah, the whole purpose of me filming every day was because I wanted to be able to show all of you, like,
In real time.
how the life is, you know. The thing is, like, just to make it clear, yeah, I think if you notice something from the videos, right, what you notice is that every day's pretty much the same, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, every day's pretty much the same. It's like you're making progress, you know, whether it's 1% or however much percent a day, but still, like, every day repeats itself. And it's only when, like, the progress compounds into, like, a big effect, that's when I suppose things will be better, innit? Like, that's when you'll notice the gains
100%.
and the progress. So
yeah, that's the new plan.
yeah, that's the new plan. From Monday it's gonna be once a week,
And only the best bits.
and only the best bits, and also the sad bits, and the happy bits, and
They ain't gonna be
the explicit bits. And I'm joking, no explicit bits. But yeah, like, thank you, Wills. Damn, man. Cause yeah, I was really feeling like down, and I don't even know why.
That's it.
But yeah, we're all good. Wills is trying to run from the camera now.
Yeah, man.
It's not good. But yeah, anyways, so guys, we'll have another update soon. We've just finished making music. Now we're gonna watch Pop the Balloon.
Hit that subscribe button, people.
Jeez! Yeah. It's the first time that this has ever happened where I've continued the episode until the next day. But I am gonna end the episode here. But I just want to say that like Wills definitely gave me a great idea about just reducing the amount of feed for the vlog and just reducing it to once a week, which I suppose makes sense. You know, I think maybe I tried to do too much, which I'm sure if you know me very well, then that's something that I always do. But yeah, anyways, these lot, they're still upstairs sleeping. But yeah, I just thought I'd quickly come downstairs and just share this message that yeah, so I want to confirm that yeah, 100% from Monday we won't be doing the vlog every day, and I'll just be trying to highlight the whole week, and then every Sunday there'll be a new vlog, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. I just want to say thank you for watching, and yeah, let me know what you think of this vlog. I think this vlog has been the most different one from all of the vlogs that you've probably seen. So yeah, let me know what you think, and then see you guys in the next episode.